Today topic of my presentation is solar power generation using PV cell or photovoltaic panels. Solar photovoltaic power generation system is defined as a system that uses solar components and other auxiliary equipment to convert solar energy into electrical energy. The solar electricity seeks to convert light from the sun directly into electricity through a process known as photovoltaic. Solar panels are manufactured using silicon, glass, and metal. Silicon creates solar cells that can generate electricity from the sun. Basic components of solar system are: Number 1 is solar panels. Number 2 charge controller. Number 3 battery bank, if off-grid or standalone system, and number 4 is DC to AC inverter for AC power. Basically, a solar panels is a device that converts light from the sun, which is composed of particles of energy called photons, into electricity that can be used to power electrical loads. Or solar panel is an assembly of photovoltaic solar cells mounted in a, usually rectangular, frame. There are 6 types of solar panels like 1. Monocrystalline solar panels. 2. Polycrystalline panels. 3. Bifacial solar panels. 4. Thin film solar panels. 5. Concentrator photovoltaic (CPV) panels. 6. Double glass panels. What are monocrystalline panels? The term mono stands for a single, which means the solar cells are manufactured from a single crystal of silicon. It is a premium energy producing panel and have better low light performance to produces more power. On the other hand, polycrystalline silicon, or multicrystalline silicon, also called polysilicon, is a high-purity, polycrystalline form of silicon. Polycrystalline solar panels have blue-hued PV cells with straight edges. They have a lower efficiency compared with monocrystalline cells. A bifacial solar cell is a photovoltaic solar cell that can produce electrical energy when illuminated on both its surfaces, front or rear. Hence, there is energy production from both sides, increasing the total power output. Bifacial solar panels are more expensive than traditional panels. A thin-film solar cell is a second-generation solar cell that is made by depositing one or more thin layers, or thin film of photovoltaic material on a substrate, such as glass, plastic, or metal. Thin-film solar panels are less efficient and have lower power capacities than mono and polycrystalline solar cell types. A concentrator photovoltaic or CPV technology is an outstanding high-efficiency system that uses optical instruments, such as curved mirrors or lenses, to focus a large amount of sunlight onto a small area of multi-junction photovoltaic panels to generate electricity. Double glass is a technology that uses a glass layer on the back of the modules instead of the traditional polymer backsheet, characterized by increased reliability, better resistance to higher temperatures, humidity, and UV conditions, and have better mechanical stability. Actual working principle to generate electricity is as under. A solar cells contain a material such as silicon that absorbs light energy. This energy knocks electrons loose so they can flow freely and produce a difference in electric potential energy, or voltage. The flow of electrons or negative charge creates electric current. The solar energy charge controller is very important automatic control device that is controlling the solar battery array to charge the battery, and the battery supplies power to the solar inverter load in the photovoltaic power generation system. PV standalone or hybrid power generation systems has to store the electrical energy in batteries during sunshine hours for providing continuous power to the load under varying environmental conditions. An inverter is one of the most important pieces of equipment in a solar energy system. It's a device that converts direct current, DC, electricity, which is what a solar panel generates, to alternating current, AC, electricity, which the electrical grid uses. How to install a solar PV system involve following steps. Step 1. Mount installation. Step 2. Install the solar panels. Step 3. Do electrical wiring. Step 4. Connect the system to solar inverter. Step 5. Connect solar inverter and solar battery. Step 6. Connect solar inverter to the grid. Step 7. Start solar inverter. Criteria to choose solar panel is following. 1. If you have a lot of space to install solar panels on your roof, then you should go for polycrystalline panels, because they are less expensive and have lower efficiency. 2. If you have limited space, install high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels. They are expensive, and you can save more money on electricity bills. 3. If you use solar panels on large commercial roofs, you must choose thin-film panels, because they have lower efficiency and the roof has more area to place them. As efficiency of solar panels is concerned, it has improved dramatically in recent years, from an average of around 15% conversion of sunlight to usable energy to around 20%. Formula to calculate efficiency is shown, and following are the steps used to calculate it very easily. Factors which affect efficiency of panels are: 1. Shading. 2. Weather and climate. 3. Roof orientation and angle. 4. Type of solar panels. 5. Solar accessories efficiency. 6. Solar tracking. 7. Roofing material. 8. Maintenance practice. There are many advantages of solar energy, only few are mentioned as under. Solar energy is a type of renewable source of energy. By using solar panels, it reduces the consumption of electricity, and you will get low electricity bills. It can be used for various purposes. To generate electricity, photovoltaic, or heat, solar thermal. It requires low maintenance cost. Technology is constantly advancing in the solar industry, and improvements will be faster in the future. Among few disadvantages of this system are: the primary cost of purchasing a solar system is relatively high. Solar panels rely on sunlight to effectively collect solar energy. The storage of solar energy is costly. It requires a lot of space to fit the number of solar panels. Although pollution related to solar power systems is much lower than other energy sources. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you understand solar photovoltaic power generation. For more renewable energy generation methods, keep watching new videos. Never forget to subscribe this channel. Like, comment, and share these videos.